Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Carnival band Xaymaca International this year features costumes themed Iconic, which features a dancehall section. The unveiling launch, held at Sabina Park on Saturday, presented a vibrant display of dancehall culture as the dancehall queen section featured models in black bodices with red, green and gold feathers, truly representing dancehall queens. In addition to the costumes, the dancehall culture was presented in other aspects as DJs diverted from their regular soca playlists to include dancehall music. Patrons were pleased with the display of Xaymaca designs.
Broadtail designs. I'm going to be playing mass next year, so I'll be a part of that. And it was on my bucket list, so I'm going to play mass. And I'll be representing Xaymaca and Broadtail designs.
Once it's Jamaica, I know it's always good. So I was expecting vibes, and I was expecting the costumes to look good. So, yeah, man, I'm excited.
Definitely, I've done with Xaymaca twice, so it's definitely next year's a must for me.
Xaymaca's Iconic also features Egyptian queens, Greek goddesses, African tribes, fashion designers, and supermodels. Recording artist Yannick Curvy Diva Barrett is the new brand ambassador for energy drink Conca. The media personality recently signed a 16-month multi-million-dollar endorsement deal, which will see her taking on her first role as a brand ambassador. The Curvy Diva's first duty is to develop an all-female promotional team to be known as the Conca Army.
Oh my goodness, there's a slow stuff. I heard we'll be taking on Carnival, we'll be doing a whole lot of Christmas parties, campaign. There is the army that I'm, recruiting some Conca girls, all of these stuff. So I'm just excited about that, excited about what's to come, and I cannot wait to really conquer the road. I mean, it's a new brand, and I like anything new and fresh and young. I'll just put young in it. But apart from the taste, apart from the energy, apart from the brand manager, his passion and everything, I'm just happy. I like it. I like the brand, and I like Lasco on a whole. So it's a family brand and everything. So I'm good. I'm happy.
Meanwhile, the lifestyle DJ has been grappling with the recent arrest of her stylist, Keshawn Hawthorne. The recording artist and host was seeking the stylist's advice for outfits to wear for her performance with American rapper Safari in Hartford, Connecticut over the weekend when she was notified of his arrest. Keshawn Hawthorne has styled the Curvy Diva for many years and worked with her to create the various looks in the lifestyle music video, and was also the designer of the head-turning black bodysuit she sported at Reggae Sumfest this year.
And it no make sense you compare me, cause me a paper them a catch up.
On the international scene, the legendary writer, editor and publisher of Marvel Comics Stan Lee passed away on Monday morning at age 95. Lee, who had a role in the creation of iconic comic book characters such as Black Panther, Spider-Man, the X-Men, the Mighty Thor, Iron Man, the Fantastic Four, and Ant-Man, among countless others, died at the Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles. Stan Lee was instrumental in revitalizing the comics industry with his superheroes, giving them complex emotional lives to color their all-action adventures. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.